Hello everyone and welcome to Marian's opening bell. My name is John. I am the membership director at the Foundation for the Study of Cycles, and it is my pleasure to be your host for today, as every day from Monday to Friday. We are live from Bucharest, Romania and broadcast worldwide. Now, like usual, every attendee will be muted in this webcast, and for any questions that you might have, please email me at i.guta@cycles.cc. Now, I will read our disclaimer. If you want to read it yourself, you can find it in the meeting info tab. Futures, options, and Forex are leveraged instruments and you can lose all your money. The content in this webcast is for educational and research purposes only. The Foundation for the Study of Cycles is not an investment advisor and is not trying to sell you any securities. You as a viewer are responsible for your own trading, both the gains and the losses. There is a very high degree of risk involved in trading and past results are not indicative of future returns. The Foundation for the Study of Cycles and all individuals affiliated with us inside and outside this webcast assume zero responsibilities for any individual viewer's trading and investment results. The cycles and planetary indicators and all other features in this webcast are for educational and research purposes only and should never be construed as investment advice on any one particular asset to any one particular person at any one particular time. Any personal use of our timing and trading observations is entirely at your own sole and personal financial risk, and it is your own sole and personal financial responsibility to evaluate the accuracy, completeness, and usefulness of the information provided. And now, your presenter for today, the Foundation Executive Vice President and Head of Research, Marian. Hi, Marian.
Hey, John. Hello, everyone. Let's start. First, we'll present the future file. Recently, we have closed the soybean trade. It has hit our stop levels. This trade has gained 10.42%. Again, a really good trade. In cotton, in the future file, we still have one trade open, a long position in cotton. This is recently hitting a loss of 0.39%. Let's present the Forex file. We have two long positions in the Forex file, one in USD/CAD and second one in USD/CHF. Both are negative at this point. Let's start presenting first the feature file, then we can go back with the Forex, continue the Forex. First asset on the future file is soybeans. I have entered in a long position on June 30 and exit yesterday. This trade has gained 10.42%. Cycle 2 and 4 were presenting a positive movement, but recent a topping area. We can see in cycle 2 the topping on July 7, and cycle 4 is reading a top around August 2nd, still later on. The Pearson lines, all of them are in primary territory. What's important to see is the paradigm primary signal. As you can like it have catch again, perfect this spike, important spike, now it's presented negative condition. The highest point it was on this date. So because of that, I have decided to exit the trade too. Okay, again, currently right now the signal, the paradigm signal is presenting a choppy area. I will probably re-enter in the long position, but it will probably be later on, maybe after July 20 or later on, this cycle, that means. So currently, I'm NTR, not a recorder. We recently have closed the soybeans trade. Let's move to the next asset, cotton. I have entered in a long position on July 5. This trade is negative 0.39%. Cycle 2 and 3 are presenting a positive movement. We are seeing in both of them a topping area soon. The Pearson lines recently, and this is important, have declined. We are seeing the 10-day, the gray line, declining and under the zero line with a really low level. The red line recently have drastically declined, and the other lines are declining too. So this might present a signal flip, not yet. Primary signal currently is presenting a bottoming area, then a positive movement. So currently, I'm in a long position in cotton. the signal is looking like it should create a positive movement. So currently I'm in a long position. I'm maintaining my long position in Cotton. We are seeing an important spike around July 26th, second one around August 2nd. A topping area after that, then a decline period on the primary signal. Let's start presenting the watch list. First asset on the watch list, S&P 500. The Pearson lines, we have 4 of them in primary territory, 1 negative. They are presenting the primary signal. The primary signal currently is presenting an important icicle today, then a positive movement after that. We are seeing an important spike around August 4th and second one around September 12th. So currently we are NTR. The primary signal is looking like it's working nice. The pivot point is today, actually on July 13th. So let's see what will happen. Next asset, the bonds. The Pearson lines, all of them declined drastically. They are presenting a secondary signal. Secondary signal currently is presenting a bottoming area, then a positive movement. We are seeing an important spike around July 25, then another decline period. Overall, the secondary signal is presenting a choppy area. NTR today, gold. We are seeing all the Pearson line primary territory with a high level. The primary signal is presenting an important low point around July 17. We are seeing a bottoming area starting from July 10 to July 17. I'm interested to enter in a long position in gold. We have an important spike around August 10 and second around September 11. So the paradigm primary signal is presenting a positive, longer term positive movement. I'm interested to enter in a long position in gold. I didn't enter yet. Actually, it's the same case with silver too. The Pearson lines are in primary territory, and this is important as you guys seeing here. It have a really nice move, positive movement. We are seeing again a bottoming area really soon. The highest point currently is September 6th. So the primary signal is presenting a longer term positive movement. We have to pay a lot of attention to this. Okay, it's looking like this bottom might have already happened. So let's see what will happen these next couple of days. I'm interested again to enter in a long position in gold and in silver. Let's continue. Sugar. The Pearson lines. We are seeing a bunch of them actually lining up at the 0 line. So currently the signal is difficult to present on the primary or secondary signal. The thing is we have an important point on both signals, of course, on around July 19, a pivot point on the secondary signal is presenting a low point around July 19. Again, I'm waiting just for that day to see exactly how the signal will react. It's presenting after that on the secondary signal a longer term positive movement. We are seeing the highest point, as you guys can see here, around September 25. So currently, I'm NTR in this asset, no trade recorded, but I'm interested to enter in a long position after this pivot point will finish, okay, after this day will appear. Currently, I'm NTR. Let's continue the next asset, coffee. We have one line positive, two lines, touching or really close to the 0 line, and 2 line negative. The secondary signal, the Pearson are presenting the secondary signal. The secondary signal is presenting currently a topping area, then a decline period. If we are taking a look at the July 11, this spike movement is presenting the price actually have tracked really nice. So let's just adjust a little this, and this is how it's looking. Return axis adjustment. So currently it's presenting some kind of a choppy area then a decline period starting around August 7. Okay, currently I'm in NTR, no trade recorded, but it's looking like an important move should start happening for a longer term. Let's present one more time the trades record. So we have closed the trade in soybeans and we still have one open in cotton.